Muigana wa wuikia kura milioni 18 aria meyandikithitie bururi-ini wa Uganda na mathaa maratara mbere ya kumenya uria gutuika mutongoria wa bururi ucio gwa itina ria miaka 5 yukite kurumirira gutirihwo kwa mihang'o ya wuikia wa kura githurano-ini kinene umuthi. Guku President Yoweri Museveni arongoreirie guthii na mbere gutongoria bururi uyu gatagati ka ung'ethaniri munene kuma kuri muini wa tene Robert Kyangulani Sentamu kana Bobi Wine. Mihang'o ya wuikia kura gutanyitwo kwambiriria thaa 1 cia ruciini ceceni-ini ciothe 34,648 cia wuikia wa kura. Ona gutuika mathanduku na maratathi ma guikiria kura ni icereirwo gukinya ceceni-ini imwe cia wuikia wa kura na makiria iria ciirikanite kunyita mbaru Bobi Wine. Iguru ria maya ikinya ria thirikari ya Uganda kuhoria nenda cia ukinyaniria ni undu ukiriirwo na njira nene. Guku aingi makiuga irongoreirie kuhuthira mweke uyu kuiya kura githurano-ini giki, undu umwe na kuhitha ciiko cia kwagarara watho iria iratabanio ni maabithaa ugitiri bururi-ini ucio.
2 days ago, social media was switched off, but yesterday the entire internet blacked out. This is one of the many efforts that General Museveni is doing to make sure that we vote in the dark, to make sure that Uganda is kept in the dark, that the world is kept in the dark about Uganda.
Bobi Wine uria arahuranira upresident na kiama kia National Unity Platform aikirie kura mathaa-ini ma thaa 5 cia ruciini. Ceceni-ini ya wuikia kura ya Mage Freedom Square yumagaritio ni mutumia wake Bobi Kyangulani na magana ma arumiriri ake. Kuri raia a Uganda aria maikaraga guku bururi-ini na muno muhaka-ini wa Kenya na Uganda Busia, matanyite wendi wao githurano-ini giki ni ugutio hari maumirira ma muthia. Riria aroria githurano giki kuma guku bururi-ini matariirie wagagu wao na uria maundu makoretwo magitabanio bururi-ini ucio, makiuga maya gucungiriria githurano kiu gukorwo gitari kia uma na waragania.
We call upon the US government to address the grave human rights abuses committed by President Yoweri Museveni and his administration. The deployment of the military before, during and immediately after the elections has immediate consequences on people's rights and freedom, including the violence and other forms of threats and intimidation already documented.
The situation is further worsened by the widespread failure of biometric voter verification kits. We have also received reports of party agents being rejected at polling stations and being intimidated in others.
Bobi Wine wa ukuru wa miaka 38 na akoretwo ahocetie unyiti mbaru wake munene kuri mbeũ njĩthĩ githurano-ini giki. Rĩrĩ Museveni wa kiama kia National Resistance Movement atongoretie Uganda kwa ihinda rĩa miaka 33 athiĩte na mbere kuhinyĩrĩria mũingĩ uthingatithia thayu. Ngiribuatara Kameme TV, njitagwo Mwaura Wagunya.